What is your name and where you from?
Azura from Malaysia.
Malaysia. You stay here in Malaysia?
Here.
Okay, so they are vendor here. They are vendor here. I saw some of those. Now they put some of their selling goods like that. And yeah, so this is what happened here in the street of Jalan Petaling, old Chinatown area here in okay, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. So yeah. And shout out to her. Ayan. So ayun, mabait sila. So I sleep well here in Malaysia. So maybe there's a shielding of the Boys to Scout happening that they censor those doing a silent assassination to their nation. So if you have Boys to Scout, stand by here in Malaysia. So it's like China. When we stay in Hong Kong, there's no any noise in the hotel. And my two kids, my two son, Hiro and Gabi, sleep well than in Middle East. We are in Middle East, it's too much noise in the Boys to Scout in our ears, so we cannot sleep. And our kids is crying 24/7 and said, "Mom, our ear is too much painful now for the noise." Okay. How much is this? Okay, tig 10 lang siya. Yung mga pa-heart to heart pang ganito. Ang ganda nitong parang ano na siya. Pa-flower na ganito. How much this one? How much this one? How much this one? 10 ringgit. Okay. Maraming mga Coco Martin ng kagwapuan dito sa Malaysia. Kilala niya si Coco Martin. Oh my God, he know how to speak Tagalog. Bye. Okay, Philip Renault. How much this one? Ha? Oh, tig 20 lang. Grabe. Oh, yes. I come back. May mga paganito pang car na ano. Tingnan nyo. Ano to? Car ba to? Car collection o lighter? O, diba? Oh, mga ganyan. Oh, censored natin. Ayan. So, may nag-post na Jassy Pilipina, kailan punta ng Boracay? Oh my God! Hindi nyo makikita yon. Saka na lang. Gusto nila yun ang outfitan ko. Yung naka hindi ko pwedeng sabihin. May Okay, may mga pa-oil sila na mga ganito. Ang ganda naman ito. Maliit lang siya pero ang ganda ng design.
Thailand perfume. For good luck. For the you.
Oh no, sorry. Oh, hindi natin ipopost yun. Meron sila mga pills dito na pang-activation ng kanilang organs. Okay, may mga pa-coffee pa dito. So, ayun lang yung ano dito. So, sa kabila naman tayo ikot.